Okay, starting off, I have my eyelid concealed using my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. And I also set that with my Sacha Butter setting powder. And now I'm just gonna get into the eye look using the Jamrock Palette. I'm going to first apply this shade right here called Rebel. I'm gonna first pat that in a U shape. I want that a little lighter. I'm gonna apply this shade right here called Waistline. I'm going to apply this shade right here using the other end of that brush, and I'm just gonna lightly pat that over the top of the purple. To build up that pink, I'm gonna apply this shade right here. I'm reapplying that purple. Now using a clean brush, I'm gonna blend those two shades out. Now that I have those two shades blended, I'm gonna use my Revlon's eyeshadow base and apply it right in the center to create the halo look. And when I apply this, I'm going to look up, and where you see the base at the top, that's where I'm gonna end it. You wanna do that because if you do it too low and you set your eye, of course you're gonna look up throughout the day and you're gonna get eyeshadow on the top of your lid, and that's not gonna look good. So you should go ahead and set it. So now that I have that applied, I'm going to apply this raw again using a flat end brush, and I'm just gonna pat that in. Pink applied, it's a little patchy, so for this eye I'm gonna try to set that eyeshadow base and see if that helps. Now using the shade Bubble, pat it over the ends of the halo. Now using this shade right here, the Waistline, I'm gonna pat it over the ends as well. Next, I'm gonna apply my Jumbo Eye Pencil from NYX in white under my eye using a little small brush. I am going to apply that waistline, and I'm gonna leave a little space to apply pink. I'm gonna apply that raw. And then my inner tear duct, I'm gonna apply that raw as well. I'm gonna clean up under my eye, finish my other eye and my face, and I'll be back. All right guys, this is the finished look. If you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. It really helps. Thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notified every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.